So look at this. It looks like they are finally starting to do some kind of work here at the bridge. The I-10 crossing SanJacinto River. It looks like today, May 5th. Cinco de Mayo. Happy Cinco de Mayo. So it looks like they're celebrating Cinco de Mayo. They got all the Hispanics out here starting to get this thing fixed. A barge hit one of the pillars or support pillars or something like that under this bridge. It caused a crack over here. Cinco de Mayo, and they got them out here on a Sunday. And wait, they just painting lines. Wait, all this waiting for months, and they're just gonna come paint lines? Oh my goodness. This is so depressing. Whoever's in charge of this should be spanked.